The first thing we need to do to drain the basement pipe is we have to find where the water shutoff is to the sprinkler system. And it is typically in the basement or the crawl space. But if you're not sure, the best way to figure out where the shutoff is first find the backflow preventer or vacuum breaker and trace the pipes backwards. And then it is typically either a gate valve, or this case is a ball valve. To shut off a ball valve, you would turn it perpendicular to the pipe. A good hint to help figure out which valve is the proper shutoff valve for the sprinkler system is to actually look for a drain nipple or a drain valve in between the shutoff valve and the backflow preventer. I'm going to show you quickly the inner workings of the ball valve so you understand how it works. So it is currently perpendicular, which is closed, and then as I turn it parallel, it opens, and you can see there's a ball inside of it that opens and closes. And here is the inner workings of a gate valve, and as you can see, as I turn the valve clockwise, the gate comes down and closes, and as I turn it counterclockwise, the gate comes up and opens. It is very important, especially as these get older, they might get some hard water deposits on the valve itself, so it's important when you close it, you really have to crank very hard on it to make sure it's 100% closed. Now that the water has been turned off, we're going to go outside. Now we're back down in the basement, and our final step is that we need to drain the drain nipple, and that is typically right next to the valve or in between the valve and the backflow preventer. And all I'm going to do is take my bucket and I'm going to open up the drain nipple, and as you can see, water is going to come out, and I'm just going to hang here until all the water is drained. If it's a really long pipe, that might take a few minutes. If it's a short pipe like this one, it goes pretty quick. And now that the drain nipple is done draining, all I need to do is tighten the drain nipple, and that's the end of draining the basement pipe. So now that you know how to drain a basement pipe, this should take only about 5 or 6 minutes at most, and it's really convenient for a homeowner to know